Welcome to a whole new world, the digital classroom of Merryland Academy. A smart class like never before. Easy learning, happy children, happy families.
An ideal home. A neat and tidy home. Garbage disposal. We need to clean our house regularly. The daily cleaning includes sweeping, dusting, mopping. The weekly cleaning includes removing cobwebs, cleaning cupboards, changing bedsheets. Everybody should help to keep the house clean. How can you help? Follow the work cycle, take it, use it, keep it back. Keep the washrooms clean and dry. Dispose the garbage at proper places. Let's learn about garbage disposal. How can I dispose garbage properly? Remove the garbage from your home every day. All the household waste should be thrown in bins. Sort the waste in 2 groups. The green bin, peels of fruits and vegetables, eggshells and leftover food. The blue bin, paper, glass, plastic, metal and the like. Always remember, a safe disposal creates a clean, healthy and disease-free environment. Some people empty the dustbin on the street, creating garbage heaps over time. These garbage heaps become a breeding ground for germs, flies and mosquitoes, which can cause dengue and malaria.
Make things happen. Take inspired action.
Learn from yesterday, live for today, hope for tomorrow.